Sabrina. This is my YouTube channel and this is my first YouTube video ever. And to get things started, I'm gonna do this DIY lantern I'd seen on Pinterest. And I thought it was really cool because I got everything at the Dollar Tree. It was like super inexpensive or whatever. I mean, you can go more expensive, but that's just up to you. And what you're really only gonna need is a little frame, whatever size you want, it doesn't matter. This was actually extra. I don't know, I got it. You could do it with or without this. It's a chopping mat and you just cut out little squares to put in the frame. You're gonna need a little candle to put inside. I chose a fake one because fire hazard, you know, being safe. And then an X-Acto knife. You can get these Michael's, dollar store, anywhere honestly, as long as you can cut little squares. And a glue gun, which I already heated up and is dripping, so I'm gonna put that down. And let's get started. Okay, so I've taken all of the little glasses and the backings of the frames out, so just to have the frame. And now I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to trace the inner frame because that's where the little mat's gonna go. And you're gonna do this for each little frame you have. And I believe each of these mats can come out and make 2 of these little things, like to put in, like a little, I don't know what you would call it. And yeah. And once you have your 2 little squares, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cut it out with your X-Acto knife. Just like this. Just make sure to go along the line as best you can, because this is kind of hard to do, but we'll power through. And if you hear a big dog barking, that's my dog. His name is Copper. He's this big lovey-dovey German Shepherd. He's probably chasing a frog or something, or a neighbor's cat, but it's fine. Yeah, and just try to follow the line as best as you can. Okay, so you might have to go in there again because it's a little thick. And like what you can do is lift it off of the table and just cut right through. See, there you go. Just a little elbow grease and you got it. It may take some time, but yeah, it's totally fine. And this step is totally optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to go to the struggle cutting every single little square out. It's fine, but I just thought it'd be a little cute touch to make it look a little glassy, faux glass. We'll be back. Okay, so now that you've cut your little squares out of your mats, you're gonna place them behind the little glass that comes initially with the frame, and you're just gonna place it right back on to the thing so that in the end it kind of gives it a little fadey effect, and like it looks kind of cute. It's like, you know, cute. So then you just do that repeatedly for each of your frames. Just plop them all in there with the glass. Voila, you have 2 of your 4 sides of your little lantern done. And now I'm gonna just finish putting all these in, and then we'll hot glue gun all of them. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to put a line of hot glue down the side. So like I was saying before my phone cut me off, just put a line of glue on the side of each frame and just stick them together until they make this little box. And the bottom, I really didn't know what to put till I was like the backing of the frames, obviously. And like that, same thing as we did with the frames, you're gonna put glue all along here. And you're just gonna stick this on, just to make the little backing. Nobody's gonna see it anyways. You could just use your X-Acto knife and cut it to size. And you're done with your little lantern. All you need now is your candle, like I said, battery, and you can just place it in there and you have this cute little lantern you can place in your room, outside. Like if you're having a cookout, you could just put this out there as a cute little centerpiece and decoration. And yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on my Insta, Twitter, and Snapchat. The links will be down below. And subscribe for more DIYs, life hacks, anything. If you have any ideas, you can comment down below, and maybe I'll just create it. Bye!